run actually felt really good. I was quite happy with that. Good point. People like Good morning, you guys. Welcome to another video on my channel. My name's Zoe. I'm 24 and I live in the New York City area, and I'm just trying to figure out my life in my 20s. So if that sounds interesting to you, then make sure to stick around and subscribe. Hold on, let me get my waffles. Yum. Anyway, guys, good morning. It is Sunday today, and it should be a pretty fun Sunday. I have a lot of things going on today, and I haven't done just like a single day chatty vlog in a while. So I thought that today would be a good day for that. I haven't really even just like caught up with you guys in such a long time. So that is what today is going to be for. I am very excited. It is currently about 10:30. I'm eating my breakfast. I just went to church. I did not wake up early enough to eat breakfast before church, hence why this is now happening. There's a lot of things on the agenda for today, a lot of things that I really need to get done. Need to just do my normal Sunday reset, go grocery shopping, all of that kind of stuff. I also need to go on a run because I'm training up for a half marathon. If you didn't see my last video, I believe it was like a week of workouts where I talk about that a little bit more. And then tonight is actually the Super Bowl, so I am going over to a friend on Long Island, and we are gonna go watch the Super Bowl at her place, which should be very fun. But like I said, the first thing on the agenda today is I need to go grocery shopping, which sounds like an easy task, kind of, but not really, because I live in a very walkable town. I live in Hoboken. And I have to walk my way to the store, and the store is not very close to me, and usually I make my boyfriend carry all the groceries back, but he's not here this weekend, so I have to carry my own groceries back, which I'm sorry, it's just not my job, you know, but I have to, because I don't need a man. I just happen to have one that's very useful sometimes. But I have made my shopping list, and there's not too much on there. Like, that does not look that hard to get. And there's nothing super heavy, because I think I'm good on milk, and milk is like the worst, you know, because that's like super heavy to carry back. But I do want orange juice, so we'll see, because they haven't even had my orange juice in stock the last few weeks, which has been really sad. Anyway, I'm gonna stop babbling, and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. These things are so good. I really like the strawberry ones, but I believe that the strawberry ones are made in a facility with peanuts, and I just try to avoid peanuts in my house because my boyfriend has an allergy, so these ones are good though. Okay, my next order of business for the day is that I need to go on a run. Now, I did a 10-mile run on Monday, and afterwards my left leg, I just like felt like something was really being strained like in my hamstring, so I didn't do my normal routine where I would run like a couple more times during the week. I kind of just took time off and chilled, and I'm really glad that I did it because my leg feels fine now. Like, I did a ballet class yesterday and like it was all good. But now like I'm like not in the routine, and I like don't want to go on this run even though I'm literally doing 3 miles. Like, and I can't believe I'm saying that 3 miles is like nothing at this point, but I have been doing like more like 5 to 10 mile runs consistently, so 3 miles does not sound like very much at all. And yet I'm like sitting in my bed and I'm like, I don't want to go. I just want to keep scrolling TikTok. I keep on getting all of these TikToks about like different people's renditions of The Greatest Showman, and I don't know why I'm on Greatest Showman TikTok. I mean, I love it, don't get me wrong, the music is great, but this is so random that I just keep on watching them. I just saw Hugh Grant performing at Radio City, and then Cynthia Erivo like singing Never Enough, which is incredible song, as we know. And I just kind of want to keep scrolling, but I know that that's bad because there's other things that I need to do today, and I have just been scrolling for like 30 minutes. It's not like I like didn't give myself a break. Like I told myself I would scroll for 20 to 30 minutes. It's been that long. Now it's time to go out, but it's so cold and snowy, and I'm like, ugh. This is where discipline has to come into play. Okay, I got dressed. That's step one. Now I actually have to get myself out the door. I think I'm gonna actually warm up first. Maybe this is because I'm procrastinating, but I should be warming up anyway, and I'm not very good at that, and especially just because of the way that my leg was feeling earlier in the week, I know it's a good idea. So I'll warm up, and then we'll be off.
Getting a bit of movement through the knees. Opposite toe, looking, getting a nice stretch with the hamstring, but feeling a little bit more stable. There we go. Have a great run.
I'll never get over this view. And I'm back. That run actually felt really good. I was quite happy with that. The first mile was definitely a little bit tough, but like once I'd settled in, it felt a lot better. I was just so happy like to see all like the families out and about, and like just everybody like playing in the snow, and just like how beautiful the snow is. And I had some really good music playing. I very rarely listen to music whenever I'm running. I have to be in a very particular mood. And today was one of those days. I picked out the perfect playlist, and I don't know, I just feel very content now. I feel like you could see the endorphins like rushing through me practically compared to how I was before the run. So I'm feeling really good. I also wanted to just show you guys the outfit that I had on today, because it's actually, I really like it. So my shirt is from Lululemon. Oh man, I will try to find the name of it because I'm not entirely sure, but it is like more of a cropped long sleeve shirt. And then my leggings are also just Lululemon. I think they're just like the Align leggings, like just like the basic ones. My shoes are my typical running shoes. These are Asics Gel Kayano 30s, and I love these. And I was actually feeling pretty optimistic today, and I didn't go out with a hat or anything. I probably could have done with a hat, but it wasn't too bad. So I also had a pair of gloves on. I wish I had running gloves, but I do not. I just have some like $2 gloves from Target, I think.
One time I ran into him in the Hobbit next scene. This night after my 7 to 4 p.m.
Okay, it is finally time for me to actually clean this apartment, because it is a mess at the minute, and I'm desperately in need of some cleaning. Like, it's not like awful, like I've seen it worse. But like all the bins need to go, and like it just needs vacuuming, and like just like little clutter needs to be put away. So I'm gonna throw something on the TV, and then I'm gonna do that for the next like probably like hour or so, and then yeah, we'll see when it is then. The apartment is finally lovely and clean. Everything looking very nice. I have about 30 minutes before I am supposed to leave for, it's not really a party, I'm literally just going to hang out with a couple of friends. But we're gonna have the Super Bowl on in the background. But I really wanted to finish this video before I left, so I think I'm gonna work on this for a few minutes, and then hopefully I can at least get a little bit of that done. I just need to do some voiceovers and then export this. It should already be out by the time that you guys watch this video. If you've not seen it yet, make sure to go and check it out. I also just thought it'd be fun to do a little chit chat moment with you guys. I feel like it's been a while since I really just caught up on my life, caught you guys up with my life. But you know, there's definitely been ups and downs. I feel like the start of the year is always just such a time to like really like kick off everything, and there's so much pressure to like suddenly start all of your New Year's resolutions and get into the year going and all of that. But I really didn't feel like that. The holidays were not necessarily as much fun as they have been in the past. There were some things that happened. It's hard, and it's been hard, and it took a long time to kind of get all of that stuff settled. And now that it has, I felt like all of January was just like this emotional roller coaster of like trying to figure all of that stuff out, and then going to England. There's just been a lot going on, and with that I don't feel like I've been able to really take a good stab at some of my New Year's resolutions. And I feel like I've just had really low motivation, and I've kind of been beating myself up over that, which I really shouldn't, because like that's a completely valid reason not to do anything. And sometimes you just get in a rut, whether something has happened or not. Like you can't just be like go 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 all the time. Like you have to take a break every once in a while. And I know that that's something that I struggle with. As soon as I'm not like doing something, I tend to just like feel guilty and feel like I should be, which is not a very good mindset to be in. And it's definitely something that I need to work on, and I think I have gotten a lot better at it over the past like year or so, especially since graduating from school. But it's not easy, and when life itself isn't very easy, then that just like kind of adds to it. And yeah, so that's kind of how I've been feeling recently, and why I feel like I haven't been able to like upload videos the way that I want. Like I feel like it all comes down to that, which is so silly, because I make these videos for fun. Like I am well aware of where I am. I have my 1,000 subscribers, which love. That's incredible. I can't believe that's 1,000. I have like 100 on like Instagram and TikTok. Like I don't have an, like, this is all for fun. There is no other reason for me to be doing this besides it's fun. And so I don't know why I put so much pressure on myself, because then it takes the fun out of it, and I like procrastinate it for no reason. Okay, now I've just been rambling. I hope somebody can relate to the way that I'm feeling when you just like, you have a passion, you really are excited, you make these big plans, and then things don't go the way that you expect, and then you just like don't let yourself enjoy it the way that it is there to be enjoyed. TLDR, basically. Okay, Mackenzie and I made it to Grace's. Grace is feeding the cutest dog in the world. We're all obsessed with Murphy. Big Murphy fans. And then we're gonna find the TV to put on in the background while we actually just talk. And watch the commercials, because that's what's important in this situation. And I guess the halftime There's Grace. But yeah, fun times. Okay guys.
I'm gonna get to enjoy them being insane without having to experience it.
They're in like the third quarter, and it's 0-33 to Philly. Philadelphia?
About to be 34. No, oh yes.
Yeah, they made it. Philadelphia is about to go insane. Like,
oh yeah.
I'm gonna go wild.
I'm so glad we're not a Villanova.
Wait, I kind of wish we were. I would love to watch them all go crazy. This is insane. The fact that the Chiefs are at 0. Like, what are they hoping to pull off in the fourth quarter?
They're just a miracle. Not, literally, multiple miracles.
Go Eagles. I'm supporting the Eagles today. And I think that was a good choice.
I don't think, Zoe is wearing green.
I am wearing green!
Since Super Bowl
34-point lead, largest since Super Bowl
38?
No,
50.
That's 48.
48?
Oh.
No, 50.
No, it was XL, so that's 50 minus 10. 40 plus 8.
And what's the, so this is 57?
No, this is 59.
59? That wasn't even me reading the logo wrong, me just remembering wrong.
Zoe and I had this conversation while you were in the bathroom.
We were trying to work out how to read Roman numerals.
That was like...
Murphy. Hello. Hello. The Eagles won! Woo! So very happy about that. I am now back home, and it is really late, you guys. It's almost midnight and I have to work in the morning, and I'm just like, oh, whose idea was it to put the Super Bowl on a Sunday? Like, could you not like be nice and put it on a Saturday? Like, come on guys, come on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.